Welcome. In front of me I have COROS Pace 3 and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout on this watch. First we need to open the activity menu and you can press the crown button to do that. Or first, we need to unlock the watch by pressing and holding the crown button, then you can press the crown button to open the activity menu. Scroll through the menu, look for the activity you want to start, and once you find it you can tap on it. And here you have a menu, and basically you can start the activity if you want to, but before that you can also change some settings for navigation, activity alerts, voice alerts, and that is about all. So once you change the settings and decide to start the workout, press the start, or rather select start and press the crown button, then press the crown button again, and the workout will begin. And during the workout you can do a few things. You can swipe up and down right here on the screen to go through the data pages. You can press the lower button to make a lap. You can press the crown button to pause the workout, and once you pause it, it will open the menu, and here you can resume, finish, so see the details, laps, and resume later. Resume basically resumes the workout, finish stops it, and completely basically. Details shows you more details, laps will show you the list of laps, I believe, and then resume later allows you to pause the workout, and then you can come back to it later if you want to. I'm gonna resume it. Okay, you can pause it and resume it by pressing the crown button. That's what I wanted to mention, and I believe that's about all. So let's stop the workout. We need to hold the button, then discard the info, and then go back to watch face. And that's how you start the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.